Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the municipality of Portmore. We just went through the Portmore Toll Plaza and we are on the Portmore Expressway heading towards the town center, or more specifically the Portmore Mall. And the Portmore Mall is the largest mall in Portmore. It's actually the largest mall in the parish of St. Catherine and one of the largest malls in Jamaica. However, the largest mall in Jamaica is Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay. And not only is Fairview the largest mall in Jamaica, it's also the largest mall in the English-speaking Caribbean. We have videos up of taking a tour through the mall, so you can check it out. It's really an impressive facility. You have every food store you can think of, every bank, every store. It's really an excellent mall or shopping center. Alright, so straight ahead is a building that's being constructed. I'm not sure if it's going to be a plaza or a commercial building. Alright, so on the left is the Portmore Mall now. It's a huge facility, so you have more than one entrance. On the right is Captain's Bakery, and we just passed Burger King before that. So we're just going to take a drive and look at the entire facility. So this is another side of the mall on the left now, which is another entrance. So you need three things for a successful mall or plaza in Jamaica. You need a large supermarket, a brand name supermarket, and this mall has Shoppers Fair. We're going to take a look at that soon. And you need to build it in a populated area, and it doesn't get any more populated than Portmore. And you need food stores. Now this mall has so many. It actually has a food court in the middle of it, so it has that covered. So this plaza does extremely well. And now there's something see every day. Look at where that taxi is parked. Okay, so that's the mall on the left. It's a one-way, so we can't go back up this road, so we're going to drive around and then go into the actual mall. Okay, on the left now looks like a plaza, Master Mac food store. So I guess that's a supermarket over there, but they have other stores that you can, or commercial space you can rent. I'm assuming this is all a one-way. Okay, we need to take a tour of that plaza one day. Now this is a very far drive to go back around, so that's why most persons just break the one way when you come out of the mall. This is straight ahead, that's Mega Mart. So we've come all the way around, and I never realized Mega Mart had such a large facility. So we're back out by the Petcom gas station now. So we have, and this is also a one-way, so we have to go all the way back around to get back into the mall. Now it makes sense why you see people breaking that one way so often when you come out of the mall. Alright, so straight ahead is another section of the Portmore Mall. This line is actually for the KFC. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. We're going to show you the Shoppers Fair, which is, that's it, the supermarket we were talking about earlier. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.